Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the flavor enhancer, which is also known as monosodium glutamate. So, a brief introduction to sodium glutamate. It appears colorless to white prismatic crystal or white crystalline powder, colorless in aqueous solution. It has 225 degree melting point with almost no special odor. It tastes like intense meaty umami, slightly sweet or salty, and soluble to water, and slightly soluble to ethanol, and insoluble in ether. It's soluble in cold water with 10 grams per 100 milliliters of sodium glutamate and 71 grams per 100 milliliters of sodium glutamate in hot water. And the balance equation is simply just sodium plus the glutamatic acid, which is Na plus C5H8NO4 equals C5H8NO4Na. And how does it affect the glutamate? How does the sodium glutamate affect our human health? Having MSG, a real food, flavor food, is normally range will not have any damage to your health. But eating too much will make some people have a headache, red face, facial compression, swelling, mouth soreness, and etc. Anything else. And the poison can be taken orally every day after 50 mg of vitamin B6. At the temperature of 120 degrees, sodium will form the sodium pyroglutamate by a synthesis reaction, which is harmful to people's body. So the synthesis reaction is two substances combined to form a new product. Based on its balance equation that shown in here, it's a metal plus non-metal to form and it is a binary compound. So treatment for overdosing the MSG, 50 mg of vitamin B6, garlic, ginger, turmeric, vitamin C and E can all help with the overdose of MSG. So some quantitative evidence. The table is showing the natural glutamate content of fresh food. The value is expressed in mg per 100 grams of food. So the bounded glutamate means that there's glutamate in the product itself, and the free glutamate, which means it's the glutamate in the product that does not belong to the product. For example, for chicken, there's 3.309 mg per 100 grams of food, which means this number is contained itself. Is the amount of glutamate itself in the chicken, and there's 44 mg per 100 grams of glutamate that does not belong to the chicken. And for the quantitative evidence, as it can show an increasing trend of how harmful it takes when you take too much of MSG. So 10 mg per kilogram does not do any harm to your body. As high as 4,000 mg per kilogram, it's really harmful to your body. And for the conclusion, in general, sodium glutamate should be used less because it's a chemical. By and large, heating up a chemical and ingesting it into your body is a harmful behavior. However, as glutamate can help people better experience the umami taste of food, it's still a choice for many people. According to the expert, a small amount of glutamate will not cause harm to your human body. On the contrary, excessive use will cause great harm to human body. So to sum up, sodium glutamate should be used less in food.